This will be a slow speed or around town driving video of the 82 Alfa Romeo Spider featured on Bring a Trailer. We've got her pretty well warmed up at this point. She's got a nice smooth idle going, about 750 or so. We're up to somewhere in the 150, 160 degree range as far as water temp goes. Oil pressure is good. So we'll go ahead and start driving. And you can tell it is really quiet. It's a pretty windy day today. You can see the branch swaying there in the distance, but it's quite silent in here. As I mentioned before, not sure when the top was redone, but it is a great fit. So here we go. That wind kicking in now. See, we're going over some uneven, rough road. Suspension is very quiet, compliant. All we're really hearing is the burble out of the beautiful ANSA exhaust. About 55 miles an hour. Wheel is just absolutely rock solid steady. Pretty healthy headwind going.